Hi, in this video I'll show one of the inconsistencies of the flat Earth model with the dome and the sun circling above it, parallel to the surface, which is the most common model used to justify the observations. I haven't found any video on this particular topic yet. According to flat earthers, the sun sets because it gets too far away and gets beyond our limit of the vision. One of their claims is that the dome is what gives the sky its blue color, and it can be seen behind the sun and the moon. As we know, flat earthers do not understand geometry or 3D space. Well, maybe that's why they think the Earth is flat after all. So let's see how the claims mentioned earlier would actually look like. Here in this model, I have the equator, 10,000 kilometers from the pole, and the rim 10,000 kilometers from the equator. Okay, this is how the kilometer was originally defined in the late 18th century. I will be working on the equinox. First, let's take a look on this. So it's a flat plane with the equator, the outer rim, and the Earth's pole. There's only one pole. Okay, so okay. Um, I'll focus on the equinox because it's easier for the observations. So let's enable equinox sun path. Okay. So the sun, uh, I'm drawing the sun 5,000 kilometers above the Earth because this is about 3,000 miles. This is what most flat earthers believe. I understand that not everybody uh, fits in that model, but this is quite accepted. Okay, and so if it's the equinox, it's 12 hours day and 12 hours night. So let's set up a plane. Okay, so if we are staying in this point, in this, um, it would be a meridian in the globe. Uh, this part would be day and this part would be night. Okay, that means that when the sun crosses that spot, we stop seeing it. Okay, oops, there you go. So let's show the sun in the sunset. Sun setting in the equinox. Okay, that's the sun, and we are staying. Then we're standing here in the equator. Okay, so now this distance from the equator to the sun, it's the farthest we can see. Yeah, beyond that, we don't see the sun because it's night. Okay, so let's get the segment. So this is a 3D segment from the equator to the sun. Okay, let's see it from above. So from the equator, we are in this position towards the sun, and let's leave it, see it from the front. So you see, it's a 3D segment. Okay, okay, okay. So now that means that this is as far as we can see. We cannot see further than that. That's what flat earthers say. So let's make a sphere with our center and this radius, and that is exactly how far we can see. Okay? So that's the visible, that our radius of visibility. Okay, now let's put the dome. Okay, and Here we see that if the flat Earth model was true, we would only see a very small part of the sky. Most of the sky would be um, dark because it's away, it's beyond our limit of vision, which is absolutely ridiculous. That's how bad flat earthers are at 3D modeling and 3D viewing on their heads. They cannot do geometry at all. Most of the sky would be totally black. That's on the day. At night, we would see only uh, stars on this area here. Okay, flat earthers, this is exactly according to your model. Please explain it. And please don't say, but then you have to believe that light travels for millions of kilometers. No, that's an argument for incredulity. And it's irrelevant to the shape of the Earth. Just address this point. The flat Earth predicts a mostly black sky. One more note, if you believe in flat Earth due to the religious beliefs, think about that. Does that mean that the creator of the universe cannot make a spherical Earth? Or it's not possible that the creator set up the universe that purely on physics alone, as he defined, created the Earth? Why are you limiting the creator's powers and abilities? And how do you know that? Think about it.